Hello children, welcome to today's session. English, Grade 3, Poem 2. Bird Talk. Characters in the poem are a jay and a robin. First, we'll see the new words from the poem. Beetle, an insect. Feathers, hair-like thing which grows on the body of birds. Now we'll have the explanation part of a very fascinating poem, Bird Talk. There are lots of ways in which birds communicate with each other. They either sing, talk, dance, or fight with each other. Bird talk is a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden wherein they are discussing how they differ from human beings. They boast of the fact that they have feathers which humans do not possess. Besides, they also mention that they have wings and like sitting on wires and things which humans are incapable of doing. Having said that, they feel that they enjoy more freedom than human beings as they can fly away with their wings to any place they want to. Now we'll recite the poem. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Poem by Alien Fisher. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.